Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So our Misfits box just arrived. We're going to open it up and see what we got for this week. Now Misfits is changing around a lot of how they do things. Right now it doesn't seem to be permanent changes, but there is a lot of talk on new things to come. So what Misfits is it's an organic, ugly produce company pretty much. So they get surplus, they get ugly, misshapen, things that the grocery stores don't pick up and ship them out to us. There is a customization function where you can go in and plug in what you want. As of right now, you can still decide to get a surprise box. If you don't want to pick what you want, you just want them to send you something and surprise you, there's still that feature. But there is talk that that feature is going to go away. Now this is the large box, or the Madness box that they offer, and it's $35 a box. There is also talk that they'll be changing that and changing things to kind of how Imperfect Foods does theirs, where instead of getting a box with a certain amount of weight or a certain number of products, instead you will be kind of adding things to your list, kind of like a grocery cart style, and it tells you how much for each item. I think they right now it's saying that there's a minimum of $35 if they shift to that feature. I'm not one in their testing program, so I've just been kind of talking to some people on how that is. I'm not quite sure. I'm kind of torn on how I feel about if we move forward that way, because I didn't like it when I was with Imperfect Foods. I thought the prices were off and they didn't really match a good price or a good deal for me. Again, these are all organic. However, that's a bonus for me. It's not a necessity. I want something that's a good deal and also keeping produce out of, from going to waste. So that's why I choose to do it. And it's fun. Let's see. Right on top we have women-powered food brands and a little flyer. It feels like there's something, I guess it's just extra thick paper. A little flyer that shows you some things that are in their marketplace. I think I added something from the marketplace. We'll figure it out once we get into it. But right now my box is still guaranteed to give me 14 varieties of items in here. But I think I added something from the marketplace. But we're going to get right into it. The first thing that we see is our packing material is always recyclable. Sometimes it looks different. It's just, sometimes it can be based on region or on the time of year. Because if it's the middle of winter, you won't necessarily get ice packs in New Hampshire. But we have an ice pack and a little divider down in our box. And I'm going to move my box to right here. Now this is pretty cool. This has only happened one other time, but I'm going to see if I can shift it so y'all can see. They put a divider. They put a divider down in my box to keep the heavy stuff from my lettuces and things. So that's pretty cool. You see that their packing department is trying to make some changes into to making sure that we get less damaged food. And really, this is very pretty looking at the top of it. I'm excited. So, we have, you coming to help me?
Yeah.
What we got there? What is that?
Some cucumbers.
That's what this is. What is this? Look at the top. Is that zucchini?
Zucchini.
That's right. Good guess. All right. What are these? I see. I thought that said for a second sugar-free, and I was like, sugar-free grape tomatoes? Okay. But we've got sugar plum grape tomatoes and some cherry tomatoes. Now I know that what I picked was cherry tomatoes, so maybe they added the grape tomatoes because they didn't have enough for this, but I'll take it either way. But I know what I had picked this time was the cherry tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
You love those, huh? And then we have a cucumber here. Now we have several little, I know that some people might not like how small these little apples are. I Here, can you put him outside for a minute? I think he wants to go outside and play.
Okay.
But these are perfect for me or Thatcher, even Eleanor, for the lunch boxes or a quick, easy snack. It's not a whole big apple, and if only one of us wants them, it makes it easier. So these all actually look beautiful, except that one. It's all bruised and banged up, but we'll slice it. It'll be okay. I think, yeah, we saw one more. So 2, 4, 6, 8 apples, yay. And then,
Yummy and healthy.
yes. So we've got a few bruises and dings on these. The same.
More green
So,
apples.
yeah, most of our green apples have a little bit of bruising, but that's okay. What's this?
Cucumber.
Yes.
Yummy.
All right, here we're going to separate those. So, here, I know I see something you love. All right, you can pull them out. What is this?
Squash.
Yes.
Yummy.
So, and this is one of the things I think maybe they're trying to do the divider is because look, this is all busted up and bruised up. And we don't get that a lot, but maybe with the heavier things in here, that's why it happened.
Are these potatoes?
Those are pears. I did order some pears so I can make like an apple. I have this really good pear recipe that I love. So, and you know, we're kind of getting we're kind of getting out of citrus season. So while we still have some good citruses, I want to add that to it. Yeah. Ooh, yummy. We'll add that to the cabbage and stuff for tonight. Those are huge and beautiful.
I found a few more radishes.
A few more radishes?
I found a potato.
You found a potato? Did I order some potatoes? Oh, that's a pear.
No, this. It's a potato fillet.
Okay. Well, here, pull out the radishes. And go put them over there. Oh, look how pretty and big they are.
Yeah, it's a potato.
Yeah.
It's a miso potato. See,
Oh,
potato.
yeah. Oh, that's a purple sweet potato.
Mm.
Yes.
Another radish. Are those?
Here, just,
What are those?
you'll see in a second.
They look weird.
I know. Here, I'm going to get these other 2 pears.
I'm going to get all
Y'all,
the
this
potatoes.
is, I'm loving the fruit that's in it. Look at all of our radishes.
Mr. Potato.
Ooh, those sweet potatoes are beets. Look at them. Look, it looks like a rat tail. Oh, Lord. All right, what else we got?
Salad.
Well, hold on. Here,
That's
you
salad.
show them what's in these 2 bags.
That looks like...
Here, put them
I
right
know
here.
what it is.
Put them right there and figure it
Can
out.
I tear it?
Yes. Carefully.
Green beans. It's green beans. Can I pour them on the table?
Yeah, pour them right here for me.
Y'all can see them better.
And then we have some dandelion greens.
It's fun. It's fun doing a YouTube review, Mommy.
I'm trying to think. And we have some red kale. I was sad that in my last box my kale got substituted for like the bib lettuce.
What do you mean substituted?
Like they didn't have enough to send me some. So I'm glad we got that. Y'all, this is a good size box.
I love it.
And then our poblano peppers.
Mom, can you tell me what my favorite vegetable is?
Yellow squash. Let's see. I thought I ordered something from the market, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. While she opens these, I'm going to get my phone. Hold on and see if I didn't. Finish opening our green beans.
I want to see if I can do it before you.
All right, let's see. Nope, I didn't. So I must have just looked at some things, but I didn't order, or maybe I didn't hit save on it. But no, everything, just making sure. Yeah, everything is exactly what we expected. But But y'all, look how good of a box this is. These are going to be so cool. We've never eaten purple sweet potatoes, so that's going to be fun. They're purple on the inside. But y'all, so with, like I said, with a larger box, you get to pick 14 varieties of things. And this is all of the things that I picked. And when I keep talking about the marketplace, they have a spot where you can do add-ons. So they have things that are discounted down, milks, flours, oats, extra fruits and vegetables, all different kind of things that you can add into that. But all of this for $35. And we'll kind of pay attention to see if there's more changes to come. I'm sure there are. They're trying to improve every day. I'll also leave y'all a few pictures at the end so y'all can see a few of the things we made with our last box. I didn't take too many pictures of what we made and did, but I'll still post a few of them afterwards. And hopefully y'all stick around to see what we do with this and what recipes we come up with. If you'd like, I'll leave a little discount code in the description box also if you want to give Misfits a try and see how it does. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, but I do love them. So if I can help you find the answers, I'll try my best. Thank y'all for joining us, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.